You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly. A breed of, it's known as being a breed of goat in South Africa, but it's originally a historical Dutch name, a member of the Dutch and Huguenot population. So it's common also in Afrikaner. Boer. Boer is the Dutch pronunciation, also Afrikaan, Boer. Therefore in English it's usually pronounced as Boer. Yes, as in B-O-O-R, that could be the spelling. Boer. Boer. Alright? Boer. From Dutch or Afrikaan Boer. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.